beautiful.
Ayan.
Sabi ko, ako, di patate, ano na ba?
Namihan po. Happy New Year po. Kain din. Ayan.
بالنسبة خلاص كده.
Ayan. May soup. Yes. Hi, chef. Ayun. Pasta. Okay. And chicken. Okay, nice. And fish also, ha? Okay. Ayan. Of course, ayun. Let's go. Let's go. Ah. Let's go now. Ayan. So, about Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, all people.
Diba? Kami lang. Okay. So, what can you say? Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Dito kami sa hotel actually. So for today, because it's New Year, happy 2026 everyone. So happy New Year. So vlog lang tayo for today. Kasama pa rin si Abo, nandun lang siya. Ayun. Ay, ayun. Can you say about?
Happy New Year.
Ayan yung pamilya ko. Ayan, nandun sila. Habang nandito ako, yun. Kasama si Abo. Happy New Year, guys.
New Year, guys.
Ayun. Doon tayo. Kakain muna tayo for a while.
Hi.
Kain din.
Sige, sige, ano na kayo? Naglaway ka? Sige lang.
So, Happy New Year for a while. Very good weekend.
Good. Happy New Year.
Happy
How
New
are you, my
Year.
friend?
Happy New Year.
Sige na, sige na, tagin na tayo.
Sige. So what can you say? It's New Year today.
Happy New Year for Happy New Year for all people. Have a good day.
Yes, nice.
Thank you.
And also me. So happy New Year, guys. So for today's video, we're me and the boat for celebrating New Year 2026, of course. So we're happy. And good health, more blessings in 2026. That's all. So kakain muna kami. So, so ito muna tayo. Ayan. Diba? Only me now. Focus to me only. Muna tayo. So later guys, kakain muna kami eh. Happy New Year guys! Actually, sarap ng pagkain namin. See? Perfect, di ba? Perfect. Automatic pala siya nagko-close pag hindi ginagamit. Hi Bes, Jumboy! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! See you soon! Say Happy New Year to Jumboy.
Happy New Year.
Ayun. Kain lang kami, Be. Ayun. Kumusta ang New Year? Pwede what time now?
7:30.
Kapan yun? Sa New Year, no? The Philippines. Happy New Year, Be. Enjoy there. Enjoy the ka, no? See you soon, Be. I think marami ding Pilipino pupunta dito. My life. Ito na sa bahay lang. Perfect. Enjoy, Be. Kain ka sa labas. Sarap. Actually, napili ko to sa New Year kasi yung pagkain nila masarap. Hindi naman kamahalan. Perfect lang din. Houston, Be. Always ingat. Sarap. Delicious. How's the food on board?
Good. It's good.
So, with the board. Good? The food good?
I like it. It's very, very nice.
And delicious. And delicious. Nice and delicious. Nice place and delicious.
Of course.
My mother calling. Happy New Year, guys. Celebrating. Diba? See you Sunday. Yung melon, juice, pineapple, and also blackberry. So Happy New Year, everybody. Diba? Ang daming camera. May camera doon, may camera dito. Madam Marley, Kalinaw is Happy New Year. Thank you for watching. Oh. Si Abot. Ito yung hotel. Diba? Maganda siya. Ayan. Kain muna tayo, guys. Meron ding fish. Happy New Year, guys. Tapos may chicken, fish and chicken. Okay. Guys, kakain muna kami. And then, papakita ko sa inyo yung hotel later. Bye-bye! So guys, kausap ko si Mama. So Happy New Year. Ayan, yun si Mother. Happy New Year, Mother. Diba? Ayun, natapos yung pagkain namin for today. So, dito kami sa hotel. Actually, yung dami ring pupunta. Ayun, ito yung hotel. Yung si Abud. So, itutur ko kayo. Sagit lang, ma. Itutur ko kayo dito. Ayan. Ito yung reception na area. Ayan. Pag dito sa labas, ito yung labas. Dito ka. Yes. O, diba? Perfect lang siya. Ayan. Ang ganda naman ng ano. Hindi naman masyado actually mahal. So, perfect man. For celebrating New Year. So, ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo mga pagkain. Pag-enter mo palang ganito na. Ayan. Ito yung reception. Yung si Abod. Yes. Yung mga pagkain. Ubos na actually. Yan. May mga soup, rice, beans and everything. Chicken, fish. One of my favorite. And the mga sweets. So, tsaka yung makikita yung mga tables. Ayan. Diba maganda rin siya? Perfect din.
Hello.
Hello. Happy New Year.
I see you video at YouTube.
Really? Bye bye. Say hi only. Say hi. Ayo. Thank you. Ayan. Ito lang kami. Oh, you will say, ano, what can you say?
Hello.
Say about the food.
My favorite fruit is dragon fruit. So that's why it will be dragon. So that's why.
So what's your name?
Omar.
Omar.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you.
Huh?
Nice meeting you.
Great.
So how's your food? Good?
Huh?
Good.
It was so great. There's marshmallows and some chicken.
Chicken. So you like chicken?
Yeah.
Thank you, Omar. Bye-bye. Say bye. Ayun. Ayun, nakausap ko si Omar from Indian National. So, masaya siya. Ayun. Oh, slow back na. What happened? Here. So, your name is Omar. What so? I'm sorry. What can you say about the food?
My fruit is dragon fruit and some mango. So that's why the dragon will fly.
You like dragon fruit?
Yeah, great.
So where are you in India?
Huh?
Where you live in India? Where exactly in India?
In here.
You're from India, right?
Yeah.
Where exactly in India?
I'm Ninja boy.
India. You're from Philippines. I'm Philippines. From Philippines.
Oh,
So you're happy here in Saudi Arabia?
I have to go to mall, so that's why I
Mm.
sing like this.
You live here in Kobar?
Yeah.
So you happy here or you just only eating here? You
I-
happy in Saudi
Are you,
Arabia?
are you a YouTuber?
Yes.
I'm also a YouTuber.
You YouTuber also? You like vlogs? You like to vlogs also?
Hit subscribe button and like button.
Yes. What's your YouTube channel?
My YouTube channel is Karachi.
Oh, really? So I will subscribe you.
Subscribe the video now.
Subscribe the video. Now, what's the name of your video? Just tell to your viewers your YouTube channel.
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Okay, subscribe, like, and share. Ikoterang vlog.
And comment.
And comment. Don't forget to
Subscribe.
yeah.
Subscribe the button, like the video, and comment. And share.
Perfect. Number 1. So, see, bye-bye now.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. See you.
That was so great.
So, ayun. Natapos na rin ang aming New Year. How about? So, come here. Please don't forget
Subscribe,
like
share,
and share, of course, my YouTube channel as what's my name? Ekoterang.
Katira Vlog.
That's all. Happy
New Year.
Happy New Year. Bye bye. See you. Happy New Year 2026. Bye bye again.